Hi everybody, Katie Code Webs here, and today we're going to cover the JavaScript this keyword. So before we get into this keyword, I really want to point out, let's go over objects and properties and how we understand as developers like the internal nature of like objects and properties. So here we have an object called Janice, and Janice contains information here. So the first key that we have, that what we know about Janice, we know that Janice first name is, we have the value of Janice, that's the property. Last name, Janice's last name, Smith. Birth year, 1999. Family, we have an array of members, right? So these are the keys, the values. And we also can set it to true or false as well. So we can set it to strings, we can set it to integers, which we have here, or the Boolean value. So in order to do, we could also utilize a function within the object. And the function is a function expression. The function expression returns some information, some important information. So we would need to store that inside of a new key. And in this case, we call this key calc_age. And calc_age has been defined by function expression. And within the function expression, we have birth year. Because birth year, we're going to get a calculation so that we can see what happens in the Google Inspector when we do the console log. So birth year holds the value of 1993. What we can do if we're looking to access the age, we could use a JavaScript this keyword, and we could create a new value, and then we could set it equal to the current year minus this dot birth year, because birth year holds the value of this value within this key. And once we go to the Google Inspector, we should be able to see this entire object with its value, because we did a console log. So let's check that out. Let's just spin it. Here we go. So here's our whole entire object. Let's open our object up. And we have Janice's age of 25. So hopefully that helped you just become familiar with the this keyword. So the this, it gives us direct access to the values that are being stored with it, with the keys. Try it out.